Hi guys, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare chicken breast marinated. I'm going to roast them in the oven and make white rice next to them. So first I'm going to start with the chicken. Here I have 1 kilo of chicken breast. Okay, so like this I'm going to leave them like so, and here I have a big slice. I'm going to do them like so, slices, a big slices. All right, perfect. Okay, so this is the last one. Okay, so now here I have pepper. I have the green pepper, yellow pepper and orange pepper. So I'm going to do them like so, circles, and then put them with the chicken, and that will give a delicious taste. Okay, okay, so now I have some garlic, so I'm going to chop them like so. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the spices that I want here. Okay, here I have like 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have 1 tablespoon of 7 spices. I have 1 teaspoon of paprika, and we need salt. I'm using rock salt, tablespoon, probably less than tablespoon, and we need 1 lemon juice, and we need balsamic vinegar, like 3 tablespoons, and we need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and finally we need pomegranate molasses, 2 tablespoons. Okay, so I'm going to mix them very good and then pour them on the chicken, mix them very well as well. So in that time I just preheated my oven to the maximum heat. That smells so yummy. Oh, look at the salt. Okay, so now the chicken breast is ready. I'm going to put this tray in the oven, and then I'm going to bake it on as I said, on high heat, and I'm going to leave it for half an hour. So in that time I'm going to show you how we can prepare a simple white fluffy rice. Okay guys, so now in a pot I'm going to add like 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to melt them on high heat. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1 chopped onion. I'm going to fry it a little bit, just saute the onion. I don't want it to be brown. And then later I'm going to add 2 cups of white rice, washed and clean. Okay guys, so now after we saute the onion, I'm going to add the rice, mix them a little bit, and then I'm going to add water. So each 1 cup of rice need to be added on, and then 2 cups of water. So we need like 4 cups of water. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to add salt, more than 1 teaspoon. So salt to taste, you can just add as much as you want. And now I'm going to leave them to boil. Okay, so as you can see, the water is evaporated. Now the rice is ready to be covered and cooked for about 15 minutes on the lowest heat. So see you after that. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start preparing an easy salad just made out of parsley and onion, lemon juice, sumac and salt. It's so yummy with the chicken. The parsley don't need to be very minced, so like so. And the onion, I'm going to make it slices, thin slices, like so. Okay. Okay, so here we have the onion and the parsley. Okay, so I'm going to add in them lemon juice and salt and sumac, and mix them. That's it. No oil, no spices, no anything. Alright, so now the chicken is ready, and we just wait a little bit for the rice to be ready too, and then we can serve it. Okay guys, so as you can see, the rice is ready now, the chicken looks so yummy, and the salad. So I'm going to present the plate. Okay, so now I'm going to add a slice of chicken, pepper. That looks so yummy. And here we have the salad. Oh wow. I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes here. And can just add a little bit of the juice on the rice. Wow. Woohoo. Okay, so finally I'm going to add some roasted nuts, almond, cashews. Oh, wow, wow, wow. That looks so yummy. It looks great. I'm so hungry. Guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video and hope you like the recipe. I can't wait. So please like the video, subscribe for more videos, and hope you enjoy this recipe. I'm going to list down in the description box all the ingredients with the measurements, and hope you can try it and let me know what do you think about it, if you like it or not, in the comments. And see you soon. Bye.